So I'm back with the GPX Moto, another short video. I'll kind of go over the oil change. It's pretty self-explanatory. I wasn't going to do a video, but then I'm like, maybe this will help somebody out, at least familiarize yourself with a bike you might be purchasing. But first, let's take a look at the battery here. I got the battery sorted. I just had to turn around the starter solenoid. I got the plus, so short red cable here. Put it towards the left side, right side, put the power cable that goes to the starter. And I don't really know, there's a tab down in there on that plastic, but there's no way to flip that around, and there's no way to really put that any other way. So what I kind of did was just nestle that guy there around it and just put it right there. It's just your flasher relay, not a huge deal. Could probably mount it. I don't know how much room is with the seat though. Might be able to mount it up on top of the battery here. I don't know if the wire's long enough though, that's the thing. So anyways, that's how I have it all situated, so you can take a look at that, pause this video, and hopefully that will help you out. So the oil, you need a 12 mil socket, and it's just right there. It's weird that it's on the right side here. It's still draining, so I'm just letting it drain. If you're wondering about this funnel, some guy made these for the XR650R. Fit on the frame, fits up snug against the XR650R drain bolt, and then you could unscrew, no mess. So I adapted it here with my impact holding it up into a position where mostly it's draining out of it. I did have a few drops down the skid plate, but at least the majority of it is coming out this way. I'm just waiting for that to finish off. I'll be on the right side. I'll have to lean the bike and see how much more comes out. It says it holds 800. So have one of these good guys here, fill that up to 800, so almost a liter. And it has an on-off valve. The blue part turns, and I will use a funnel in right into the engine there. And I have on hand my favorite Rotella T5 15W40. I also have T6, but during summer I mostly run this. I'm going to run this now just because it's a synthetic blend, and it's thicker, and it would just help it break it in. And then I'll probably switch to T6, or well, maybe keep running it. It doesn't matter. So hopefully it's getting there. Still draining out, so okay, well. And then your fill plug is up there, as you saw. And yeah, I think that's basically it so far for the oil fill. So not too bad. It's a pretty easy process, really. And again, it's 800. That's all you need to know as far as the amount. That's what I was kind of wondering, but this engine has it marked, so thank goodness. Hopefully you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check out the other videos of this bike. Have a good one. Bye.